Getting lifted. Fire truck.
Hepatocytes are the chief functional cells of the liver. The cells could be in contact either with sinusoids or neighboring hepatocytes. They play an important role in building proteins, bile, a liquid that aids in digesting fats, and chemical process molecules in the body like hormones. As a result, they have a large quantity of smooth and rough ER, mitochondrions, and transport vesicles. In contrast to most glandular epithelial cells that contain a single Golgi organelle, hepatocytes contain many stacks of Golgi membrane. The nucleus of a hepatocyte contains genetic information in the form of DNA, which is organized into discrete units called chromosomes. The nucleolus of a hepatocyte cell contain a specific type of RNA called rRNA made from instructions in the DNA. Proteins from the cytoplasm and rRNA work to form large and small subunits of ribosomes. As both subunits exit through the nuclear pores, they are assembled into a ribosome. Ribosomes are attached to the rough ER and can be found in the cytoplasm. Bound ribosomes' main function is protein synthesis. The smooth ER's function is to perform synthesis of lipids, metabolism of carbs, and detoxification of drugs and poison. Smooth ERs are typically found around the nucleus of the cell. The rough ER contains ribosomes, which are responsible for protein synthesis, and found around the nucleus, along with the smooth ER. Lysosomes contain enzymes that can digest macromolecules and can recycle the cell's own organelles through the process of autophagy. The Golgi apparatus receives proteins from the ER through its cis phase and modifies them. After being modified, they are sorted and packaged into transport vesicles where they are taken around or outside of the cell. Peroxisomes' vital role is detoxifying various toxic substances. They can also assist in reactions that produce bile acid and cholesterol. The mitochondria is the site of cellular respiration. Cellular respiration produces ATP, a type of energy a cell uses to fuel cellular processes like protein synthesis. One of the main functions of a hepatocyte is to produce protein. Ribosomes are made by the nucleus and then transported to the rough ER, where they will produce protein to be transported outside of the cell. The rough ER packages the protein into transport vesicles to be sent out to the Golgi body. As they arrive at the transphase, they are sorted and packaged and then transported into transport vesicles to be transported outside of the cell.
An illness that can affect hepatocytes is autoimmune hepatitis. Autoimmune hepatitis is a chronic disease in which the body's immune system attacks the normal components or cells of the liver, which can cause inflammation and liver damage. This disease can worsen if not treated. A combination of autoimmunity, environmental triggers, and genetic predisposition can lead to autoimmune hepatitis. Hepatitis is more common in females than men. Common symptoms of hepatitis: fatigue, joint pain, nausea, loss of appetite, pain or discomfort in the liver, skin rashes, dark yellow urine, light colored stools, and/or jaundice, which is the yellowing of the skin and whites of eyes. Symptoms of autoimmune hepatitis range from mild to severe. Some may feel as they have a mild case of flu. The goal of treatment is to slow or stop the immune system attack on your liver. To meet this goal, you'll need medications that lower immune system activity. When medications don't halt the progress of the disease, or you develop reversible scarring or cirrhosis, or liver failure, The remaining option is a liver transplant.
Sa bangcha.